It's the gift-giving season, and WestPoint Home wants to give you a gift by celebrating Black Friday in a big way. On Black Friday weekend, enjoy a 50% off savings on everything in the store. And to make Black Friday even sweeter, WestPoint Home is offering 60% off all clearance items during Black Friday weekend. Name brand designs at a fraction of the cost at the big box stores, with a whopping 50% off everything in the store. Luxurious absorbent towels, silky sheets, fluffy pillows, and accessories for your home, condo, or vacation getaway. Start your holiday gift shopping or give your home a holiday makeover without breaking the bank. It's the WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet Black Friday sale with 50% off everything in the store, and let the holiday savings begin. Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120. It's the WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet Black Friday sale.